explain the rules of rock, paper, and scissors. And we're going to learn strategies on how to win every game of RPS, aka rock, paper, scissors. Let's talk to Sai and Roy about all of the strategies. Let's hand it to Roy first, and then let's talk about the rules. And then we're going to hand it to Sai so he can give us an estimate.
Hey guys, I'm Roy. Today we're going to be talking about the rules of RPS. Disclaimer, no materials need to be used except for your brain and your hands. Here is the list of all the rules. 2 players say rock, paper, scissors. Then they make one of 3 hand signals. Here are all of them. Rock, papers, and scissors. Then, after saying that, they pick one of the 3 and show the opponent at the same time. Then they compare. Rock wins over scissors, paper wins over rock, but scissors win over paper. If none of these are the cases, it is a tie. These are the 6 most important rules on how to win every RPS game in your whole life, even against pros trying too hard when you could watch this video that's 3 minutes long and be better. Now let's hand it over to Sai and let's listen to his predictions.
Hey, I'm Sai and here's how to win over rock, paper, scissors every time. Kind of, because RPS is kind of hard. Because every move is no better than the others. So it's a mix of math and psychology. Though, this tutorial is made with research conducted by professionals with students. Most people tend to use rock first, so go with paper since it beats rock. They also tend to repeat the same moves, and if not, they usually have a cycle that they repeat. If they lose, they might use the move that they lost to.
Playing paper, one of 2 things might happen. Either you win or lose. If you win, one of the good strategies is to mirror their last moves because they go in a predictable cycle. However, if you lose, they will usually stick with the same thing. So think 2 steps ahead and choose rock.
Alternatively, the best strategy to win rock, paper, scissors is to go completely randomized. And you can also close your eyes while you play, so it's even more randomized and doesn't let your surroundings affect how you play.
And like I said, to win rock, paper, scissors, it also has to be distributive. Like, if you play 30 times, then try to do it so that 10 each move. And keep in mind, it works majority of the time.
To prove that this works, we will battle other people in RPS to see if our tips and tricks work. Okay, let's play best out of 3 rounds. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1-0. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-0. Get out of here. Keep in mind, these tricks work the majority of the time. Studies show that this trick works about 90 to 93% of the time. Hope these tricks worked, and Vihan Finance, Roy L, and Sai V out.
Credits. Please know that Ms. Nair played a huge role in us understanding all of this, since most of this was written in a confusing format and there were equations that we had no chance of understanding. So please, if you see this video, thank Ms. Snyder if you can.
Project by Vihan, Sai, and Roy.